get one.
Do you have an RPG?
Yes, I have 3. I have a golden one. Already killed one. Now I have shields. I have 2 shields.
Okay. I need a RPG, that's it.
I can give you one.
Wait. Oh, don't worry, I got one. I can't even play, my game is so laggy. I can't run, can't shoot.
Stay alive, okay? Stay alive. Where are you?
You good? I'm here.
I need steel. I need
It's
steel.
just my game is so laggy, my internet is like so crap. I can't even jump, I can't build, I can't do anything.
Where are you?
Oh,
Oh shit. What's going on here?
my game, oh I killed him,
Where is
He's
he?
helping his friend. He's right here where I am. Come here bro. He's helping his friend. Yeah, right here.
I hit them both.
Nice.
Huh? How
Nice
you?
bro.
Come here. Come here.
Bro, can you be as a friend? So I can
here.
play with you? Is it okay?
What?
Is it okay if you add me as a friend?
I don't know. It's okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's win this game and then.
My game is laggy, so I can't assure you that I'm gonna be my best. My game is so freaking laggy.
Okay.
Legendary. Wait, I'll take. Can I have it? It's
You can have it.
RPG,
You can have
it's
it.
the snow
I don't need. Yeah, I have no
okay.
snow. I take this one.
I mean, you got double double legendary RPGs.
I have 2. Okay, where are these guys?
Who's that?
Oh yeah, let's hit them.
Oh, yeah.
You see him?
Come on. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh, knocked one. I knocked one.
Very good. Oh. See them?
Oh, finally, yeah, I see.
Oh fuck.
Exactly, go. Go.
He's on the tree. Oh shit, I'm knocked down. You have to help me.
I got you.
Thanks, man.
No problem. Be careful, okay? Don't die.
Yes.
Oh, they're right here.
They're here? Oh, I knocked one down.
Nice.
Where are you? I killed one.
I finished him. Nice.
Where are you?
Good job. I'm down here, bro.
Where?
You need some ammo? I got some ammo if you need.
Where
Let
are
me
you?
build up.
Are you
I'm
down?
building
Down
up,
the
I'm
hill or
building-
what?
Yeah, bro, I'm lagging, that's the thing.
Yeah, I'm not lagging.
Right here, right here, right here.
Let's hit them. I hit one. I killed one.
Oh, nice.
Killed two.
Yeah, nice job, bro.
There's another one or what?
Sorry. I don't know.
No.
I don't think so. Wait.
Where?
Yeah, no, the one. It's okay, bro.
Okay.
Oh my god. We can win, but I'm lagging so much. I can't even concentrate. There's some armor right here. Some metal.
Okay.
Oh,
We need a
okay,
base, man.
We can win. I know. Okay. Okay. Wait. Come here. Yeah. Jump. Wait.
I'm up. I have to look.
Wait. Let me do this.
Oh, we have to go in the zone, man.
Let's stay here for a while. The zone is quite slow.
Okay.
Stay here.
Only 3 left, man.
Yeah, I know.
So where are you from? I didn't understand it. Where are you from?
I'm from Mauritius, bro. Mauritius. It's like near Africa.
Okay, cool. Let's go or what? You wanna go in the sea
Yeah,
or
that's in
what?
the zone. No, not in the sea, not in the sea. Right here. Close to the sea. Right here.
We need to build higher, maybe. Higher. Where you going?
Yeah, okay. I'm building higher, bro. Okay.
There's loot drops everywhere.
Oh my god, my game's freaking lagging.
Well, it's fuckers. Oh, excuse me. You wanna go to the loot drop?
Oh, they're in front, bro.
Maybe I need a media kit, man.
You need a medkit? Yeah, let's go. You go. Oh, I'm gonna go.
You go and watch.
I'm gonna go. Yeah.
I'll go and watch, man.
I'm gonna take something for you.
Yeah, that's nice.
Like shield.
Oh, I think I see these guys. Are they up there?
Oh, there's a shield for you. I'm bringing it.
Oh, wait a minute.
Come here, bro.
I see them. 240. The tree.
Okay. Shoot! Yeah, I see them.
I don't know if they're still there or not. Oh, we have to go, man.
Wait, take this. Bro,
They shoot.
Take this. Oh yeah, behind the block. They're not gonna get me.
Get me, man. They get me. I'm down. Fuck off. I'm in the water.
I know. I see that.
I go to the... Can you heal me?
My game is lagging. I can't do any fucking shit.
Here. I'm here. Heal me. Nice.
Wait, back here.
Can you go up here?
Oh yeah, drop him.
Okay, finish them, man.
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my god! I looked. Oh my god!
Oh my
Bro,
god!
my game is freaking lagging. I can't play, bro. My game is lagging. My internet sucks.
Oh
Wait,
man!
is it okay if I add you as a friend? I'm good. I'm level 50.
Yeah, but I
I'm not
mostly
bad.
play with my friends. You know, when I play alone, it's okay. But when I play with my friends, this is we talk German. You know. So
Yeah, okay,
you
it's
can
okay.
add me or no problem. But if I don't answer, don't be mad or something. You know.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Okay.
Bye, bro.
Bye.